Hello, today I'm opening up my new LOLs I got from my birthday. I already opened up the first layer. It was the code. The code is suit up. See? You read it? Oh, well, it says suit up. And now we're going to open up the next layer. The next layer, we're getting it open. It's the Boy LOL Series 4. The next one is the little stickers. You know, the color change, the spit, the pee, and the cry. We have this right here, and it says totally sweet. So yeah. Ugh, it's kind of hard. Alright, got it. So what was this one? Oh, and then we got a surprise in this little compartment. This one has this picture of a boy, and it says, "Where are you going?" Alright, let's see what we have in here. So it has this little wrapper, you know?
I love it.
Oh, you see this water bottle?
Tasty.
Little
I just edible slime, but
stars and dots on it. And it has this right here. Alright, so now we gotta go through the next one. Alright, so I got that thing open. I got this open. And we got another little compartment here.
Hey, taking a video.
Okay, and let's see here.
Did you see meatball and mushroom?
We have these little shoes. Those little shoes. I'm hoping for the one with the mask. I think it's Bonbon's brother.
Crayon 96 cheese. 96. Cray 96 package. Crayon. I didn't have 96.
Yeah. Alright. Next one is the outfit. So I'm gonna open this up, and you see a little pizza.
Okay, come here.
But I'm not getting to the one I wanted. And okay. So this is the outfits, and I'm not gonna get the one I wanted in the first one, but it's okay. It's not Bonbon's
I
brother.
found the crayon.
Yeah, I'm not getting Bonbon's brother. This is the clothes, though. These little pants, and this shirt with see-through sleeves. Alright, now we're gonna open it up. Oh boy. Alright, first we're gonna open up the accessories before we open up the first one.
This is coconut.
And there's this trophy that says ballroom.
Shampoo.
Ballroom.
$4.77. Yeah. We got shampoo and is the Tums in
So
there?
yeah. And now there's another accessory.
Okay, miss
And
last
it
few
has
things.
a feather. I think I
Crayons
know
are
whose
missing.
brother
This
this is.
hair shampoo missing.
Crayon.
Tums. What's a rimper coconut? Yeah.
First, I'm gonna try to see if I can find one
We're
on
missing
checklist before I get
Tums, the crayons,
it. So I like it.
You got crayons too?
My cat's over here. She's walking.
Yes, we were there about an hour ago, and we're missing.
Alright, my cousin decided to come, and I figured out which one we have. It's Mr. Baby. Might not be able to see him. Yeah, it's hard to see him. He's right here. See that one? We haven't opened it. This one yet. And yeah, Zaysha's my cousin named Zaysha, and she is gonna be opening it. She has been in one of our previous videos. She's been in the video Zayden's Worst Nightmare. Yeah, that was a good video, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Excuse me, I have allergies. And so yeah, Zaysha's gonna open the doll. Don't mind the areas that it has, but this is the doll. And we're gonna put the clothes on him. Ew.
Yeah, that's what that's why I never get LOLs. That boy does LOLs.
I'm just like a cat. Bad idea.
You're allergic to cats.
I know. That's always a bad idea.
But also I sound stupid when I videotape myself.
So yeah, we're just getting him dressed right now, and yeah. All right, this is Mr. Baby all dressed with his shoes and everything. I figured out what this was. It goes on his thing. So yeah, this is Mr. Baby. And we have the next ball.
I'm gonna roll it.
Coming in. Whoop. All right, here it is. And my cousin's gonna open the first three. No, I am. She's gonna open the doll. Ah. Eeks, it's so hard. All right, I got it. I almost got it all off at the same time. So hard to do that though.
You see Randy's chin?
What?
His goat.
All right, I'm getting the first layer. So this is it's a canoe and a sleepy sign, and it's called Dreamboat. Okay. We don't need to pause it. Alrighty,
Oh, I
now
see
we're
it.
gonna open up the
Toilet paper?
next layer.
The dog puts toilet paper up all over.
Second layer. And like I mentioned earlier, it's the boy LOLs, and it's series 3. I mean series 4. Alright, now don't worry, all of this plastic is getting recycled.
Yeah, it's gonna be him. It's gonna be him.
How do you know that? All the plastic that we're using from the ball is going to be recycled. We have the the sticker sheet again. Why are you showing Cheez-Its? I don't like Cheez-Its.
It's my favorite.
I don't like Cheez-Its. Oh boy.
Yes?
Okay. And so you guys know, the kind of plastic this is made out of is number 1. So if your recycling place takes that kind of plastic, then that is wonderful for you. All right, so we got a juice box that says Kawaii Punch. I think I'm gonna get the one I want.
The one that I said.
That she said I was gonna get. I'm like, how do you know? And yeah, she might actually be right. Oh, the surprise fell out. Alright, so we're getting his shoes open, and there's these little cute things. These little cute things over here.
What do it look like?
Cute things right here. Let's see if we can find it.